What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I am going to show you guys the new project. It is a 2004 Toyota Celica GT Tsunami. Yes, it is a authentic Tsunami kit. It is not a put together Tsunami kit. It is Tsunami from the factory. And I bought it from a local NorCal Celica member. I actually bought it with a blown engine, and let me go ahead and put this up with one hand. Oh, yeah. And as you can see, I can maybe get the picture. You guys can see that? That is a rod sticking out of the engine block. So I already drained the oil from it. I'm gonna take out this 1ZZ, and I have this 1ZZ over here. If you guys don't remember, this 1ZZ came out of a project, a $400 Celica GT that I had back in November of 2018. I took out the engine because it was still good. It was only the under frame that was all damaged. Then I was like, screw that, I'm not fixing this car. So I pulled out the engine. It is a high mileage engine, but I'm not planning to restore this Celica GT to like show quality spec. What I'm going to do is actually de-Tsunami it, and I'm going to take off the headlights, the scoop, the side skirts, the spoiler, the front and rear bumpers. Yes, I got them undamaged, and I'm going to throw them in or on that Celica right there. that Celica over there, that's a 2001 GTS 6-speed manual. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off the taillights, spoiler, transfer that to the other Celica. This one doesn't have body panel damage, but it's a GT automatic. It's probably the worst combination. And I'm also gonna gut the interior and put it on the other 2001. So I'm gonna make this, I guess you can say, a 2004, but that looks like a 2000, 2002 style automatic GT. I'm probably gonna flip it for a quick, easy flip, quick, easy price, just something so I don't hold on to it that long because I don't have plans with it. I don't want to scrap it. It's a perfectly good car. I mean, I have the engine right there, so I'm just gonna throw that engine in there quickly, make it look nice, make it run good, and just flip it for like $1,500 or something. I don't know. But it's basically a donor car, but I'm trying to get a little bit of money out of it, so I mean the AC works, the transmission works, so I get rid of a perfectly working car. So that's going to be the plan for now. Gonna go ahead and remove the headlights, get those out of the way, get this out of the way, remove the AC compressor, put it over here, and just make some space. So fast forward, I don't know, 2 weeks later, swap is done, car's running again. I didn't want to go through a whole video process because there was just a bunch of bumpy roads with this conversion, or I guess this swap. Here's the old block. So what had happened was I wasn't able to rotate the crank because the piston was sticking out. So the rod was sticking out, and it was, I guess, blocking the crank from spinning perfectly fine, and I couldn't get the flex plate off and the torque converter, I guess you can say. So that was just a struggle. I was getting really irritated, and I wanted to do it quickly in that day, so I stopped recording, and here it is, it's done. As you can see, I did remove the Tsunami headlights. I put the $900 Celica headlights. I did buff them out a bit. They're a bit polished. I threw in some LED headlights or LED bulbs in there. This is the $900 Celica from Bumper. It is missing the lower lip, but I'm gonna go tomorrow to the junkyard because they're having a half-off sale. I'm also gonna get a hood for the $900 Celica because that one came with a carbon fiber hood, and I sold the carbon fiber hood to make up cost of recouping costs, I guess, for that Celica. Sold the carbon fiber hood for $150 to a local. He's really happy with the hood. So I'm gonna go get a hood, a lower lip, And what else? Oh, and a passenger door for the $900 Celica. Yeah. So the plan now was to 2ZZ swap this Tsunami Celica, but because it's an '04, I can't throw in a 2001 GTS conversion in this and be smog legal. So I stripped that idea, and what I did was I'm gonna de-tsunami this, just make it into a regular GT and just sell it for a quick flip. So that's the main goal right now. So as I was saying, threw in the 2001 front bumper. I still haven't put the fog lights on, but I'm going to do that right now. Lower lip is gonna come in tomorrow, or I guess I'm gonna go get it from the junkyard tomorrow. Obviously keeping the Tsunami hood scoop, not gonna throw that in. I already removed the Tsunami side skirts. They're over here. Unfortunately, when I was popping it off, a bunch of these broke. A bunch of them broke. So we're gonna go in there, plastic weld them back, and secure them with some reinforcement or whatnot. And what else? Oh, took off the Tsunami spoiler, took off the 03 Plus chrome hatch handle, took off the Tsunami taillights. These TYCs are just temporary though. I'm gonna get some regular 2000, 2002 taillights. Those are gonna be sold to a local as well. As you can see, I'm also removing the interior. Yes, I'm transferring the black interior over to the $900 Celica. I already started with the back. I already got the back. This Celica did not come with the cover, so I'm gonna also go get that from the junkyard, the cover and the carpeting to finish that. What else? I replaced the hood, the hatch struts, got those working. Removed the Tsunami bumper, and I threw in the $900 Celica bumper. What else? Side skirts removed. Haven't really done much to the inside, but I am going to strip it. As I said, I'm going to remove the whole interior and transfer it to the $900 Celica and just throw in the light gray interior over to this one and just call it a day. Car does start and run. It sounds healthy. The 1ZZ I threw in here was from that $400 Celica that I bought from a guy that I guess he ran over the center divider somewhere, and he like busted his transmission open. He bent his whole lower subframe, and it was just not worth the time and money investment to get that thing working again. So I stripped that idea, and I just stripped all the TRD kit off of it and the engine. And this is the engine from that Celica. I don't know the mileage. I should have kept the cluster. It would have made sense to keep the cluster to throw it into this one, but now I don't know what's the mileage on this Celica, but I'm gonna hold on to it for a bit. Hopefully it does not burn oil. I don't think it does burn oil, but it does have a exhaust leak somewhere, so we have to fix that right now. I am running distilled water. I have to drain that and put in some of the Valvoline coolant that I bought for Toyotas and Lexus and Scion. Got that replaced. Gotta get that replaced. And power steering reservoir was cleaned. This thing was gunked up and the power steering did not work. Video on that to come. But swap is done. Swap is complete, and I'm actually happy. I'm impressed with the way it started and the way it sounds. I guess I could go get it to sound, but I'll get a sound clip when I fix the exhaust leak, because I did find, let me go show you guys. It's really stupid. Like, who in their right mind does this? Let's see if I can pick it up. Where is it at? Who does this? Look at that. To make it sound louder. Ay. But yeah, that's the plan with this Celica. I already have people lined up to buy it, so don't message me saying that you're interested in buying it. I already have people lined up for this, and I'm pretty sure one of them is gonna buy it because I'm gonna sell it pretty cheap to someone. And there's the $900 Celica. It's a work in progress. And here I got the bumpers and the seats and whatnot. That's gonna go to the $900 Celica. Yeah, that's about it. I'm not gonna make the sound clip I guess turn on the engine on this video because it is really loud. I gotta go to AutoZone right now and fix that exhaust leak. But I can show you guys the LEDs I bought. I bought some cheap eBay LEDs. Cheap eBay LEDs. They're pure white. They look really good. Really, really good. So I'm happy with that. They were only $20. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't want to make it too long. Thank you guys for watching. My birds are extremely loud. I'm so sorry, but this is my studio right here. This is where I work. I'm not one of those big YouTubers that has like their garage. Look. I'm not a big YouTuber that has their garage all set up, all fanciness. Like, this is my back porch. Like, it's a dirty place. I clean it up. Whenever I'm done with a swap, I will clean it all up to get the new car in. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that. Whenever I'm done with the car, I pull it out, clean up the whole thing, and I gotta get rid of this onesie. So if someone's interested in this, come pick it up. It's free. And all this bullshit onesie parts, if no one comes in like the next month to pick it up, it's just going to the dump. I don't need it. It's extra stuff, extra bullshit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Whoops.